Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review of a travel garment bag by ZEGUR. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the travel bag with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, alright. This is the box. Alright, so here it is. Okay, this is a travel garment bag. Now this can pass on as a carry-on. Okay, here's why. I have many carry-ons. I have carry-ons with the wheels. I have carry-ons that works as a duffel bag, and I have the carry-on like the Thule bag that can convert from a duffel bag to a backpack. I have many backpacks, but none of them can house a suit or two. But this bag will. Let me show you how. This is basically an organizer, and this is how it looks. You can hang it on a door like so. You could fit it to your carry-on with the wheels right next to the handle. It has plenty of zippers. Now the zippers, the teeth is a bit small. What do I mean by that? Meaning it might not be as strong or as durable if you was to put anything bulky or heavy in this bag. Okay, I read the zippers. The zippers, it's a durable Japanese coil zippers. I'm still skeptical because the teeth are small. It contains a lot of organizing space, lots of pockets. Okay, it feels cheap though. Like this part right here, it feels cheap. Like you know that material they use for that $5 or $10 umbrella? Yeah, it feels like that. Alright, so you have a strap here. Strap, plastic. So you already know what's up. It's like synthetic. It doesn't even feel rubber. It's like synthetic material. The strap is, of course, all strap. Even the generic ones are strong, but you have plastic hooks. That's a no-no. That's a no-no to me. Alright, so what I noticed, you see how the hook is not on the same side. You have a hook here, and on the other side, you have the hook here. So that's a plus, okay? Here's why. Because, let me put it on real quick. Here's why. Because the weight will be distributed evenly on this side, which is the front side, and on this side, which is the back side. The weight will be carried evenly. All right. You have your Velcro. Now, I don't know what's this. Oh, okay. I like this. I like this feature. See this? Boom. I don't know, you could take it out though. Oh, you can't take it out. So I guess you just pull it, boom, and then you fill it out as your bag tag. Alright. You have your Velcro with the strap. This is where you put this on your carry-on with the wheels. Zippers on the back. Spacious. Okay. Now, for the main component of this bag, let me take this strap off. Alright, for the main component of the bag, here it is. I gotta stand up for this. Alright, you see? Now this, you could hook it to a door whenever in your hotel room. And then boom, you open it. And this is where your suit, you know, I think you could, in my opinion, I think you could fit at least 2 suits in this. I'm gonna get my suits real quick. Okay, so I'm back. This is my first suit. All right. And then my second suit. All right, so this is how it looks. I think you can even fit up to three suits. Okay, I'm gonna zip it up. So I have 3. I mean, I have 2 suits in there. Okay, this is my shoes. Okay. All right, so I have 2 suits and a pair of shoes in there. Okay. So that's how it looks. I have my shoes on this side. Let me close it. I'm also gonna add my noise cancellation headphones. I mean, I wouldn't rock it like this though. I'll take off the strap and just rock out like this. That's it. So this bag, you see, it's a little thicker here. So the dimension is, you could say 28 inches this way across. I would say 22 across, and then from top to bottom I would say 22. So it's 22. Okay, and the thickness I would say about 6 inches, 6 or 5. I mean, the main component, let's just measure the main component. I would say 5. Okay, 5. All right, but right now it doesn't look bulky. All right, it does feel and look cheap though, but no matter. It's okay. Nice bag. I would rock it. You know, travel, airport. So yeah, that's the bag. Okay. All right. My final thoughts. Um, it's a bag, right? It's a travel bag. As I mentioned before, the reason I purchased this bag by ZEGUR, okay, because I want to travel with a bag that you could fit at least a blazer with your dress pants and your dress shirt without have to fold it, you know. And I felt that this bag will be my go-to bag as far as traveling with at least a pair of suit or two. Durability, I am skeptical. The inner part of the bag, it's cheap. Okay, I don't know where it's made. It doesn't say. Oh, I spoke too soon. It's made in China. All right. The outer part of the bag, it feels good. You know, um, it doesn't feel top notch, high quality, good, but it feels good. Um, will it be durable? Will it last? That is questionable because of the inner part of the bag. It's you know, it's like that, the umbrella material, you know. So the final price of the garment travel bag is $61.80. Charged me $5.04 for tax and the 30% coupon savings of $2.99. So that's how it came up to $61.80. For $61.80 of a travel garment bag, I guess it's fine. I guess so. I haven't seen any type of luxury bag or name brand bag that's designed like this bag. So that's what made me purchase the bag. Stay tuned. I'm gonna have to keep using it every chance I travel, and see if it's, you know, built to last. And it seems that it could fit things on it, because you know, I know I didn't get into depth of the inside the bags and what type of things they hold, but I wouldn't put anything in that inner storage because like I said, it could rip easy. Because I know for fact, for sure, I have garment bags that ripped, okay, after second time, 3 times that I've used it, it ripped, okay, and I didn't put anything heavy, all right, and I used it every day for work. This bag, I think it could hold at least 3 days tops, okay. 3 days is actually pushing it, but 2 days, one night, like a weekender type of situation, I think you could use it. It can fit one pair of suit, a pair of shoes, your toiletry, um, boxer briefs or boxes, one or two with 2 socks and two undergarments or tees, white tees or whatever color it is. One or two will fit and it will not compromise the integrity of the bag. Zippers too. Zippers, skeptical, because even though it's coiled Japanese technology, you know, if the teeth are small, more than likely it cannot have any, you know, strength, you know, as far as the volume of the bag or the weight. I don't think it could hold the weight, but that's just my opinion. Okay. Yeah, so that's my unboxing and my product review of the bag, and I'm gonna use it tomorrow, as a matter of fact, because I have a flight to Charlotte for training tomorrow. So we'll see. All right. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world. Bye world. Peace.